Welcome to lesson 4 of our 30-day spoken Maasai language and culture orientation. Today, we unlock one of the biggest language breakthroughs, forming real Maasai sentences with correct grammar and rhythm. When English says verb, subject, object, Maasai say verb, subject, object. Example: Einosita enkerai enterit. Einosita is a verb, enkerai is a noun, enterit is the subject. Can you tell which is which? Action first. Now let's get interactive. Sentences will appear on the screen. Point at the verb first, then subject, then object. Aloito, tata, France. Einosita, enkerai, enterit. Aingoru, nanu, enkiteng. You can pause this video and practice. Next, verb conjugation. We change the beginning of the verb depending on who is doing the action. Example, for I, it becomes a ainosita. You, it becomes I inosita. He or she becomes a ainosita. In plural, kinosita, inositata, ainosita. Beautiful Ma is a living rhythm, and I am so excited to be among the ones to guide you through this speaking challenge happening right now. Please repeat after me. Aloito nanu. Iloito ye. Eloito ninye. Kipoito yok. Ipoito tontai. Epoito ninje. Excellent. Clap for yourself. Your assignment now, record a 20 to 30-second video and do these things. 1. Say 3 verbs that you've learned. 2. Say 3 sentences using verb, subject, object order. 1 new thing you discovered about Maasai grammar. Send all these to the group and I will personally reply to all of them. We learn together, we grow together. A sure link for learning with me. Kage, tiagi meru. Tell them to come here and join our Maasai speaking community, complete with accessible, free